Heartbeat monitoring system using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of heartbeat monitoring system using MSP430 LunchBox from Konark Sharma. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of heartbeat monitoring system using MSP430 LunchBox. So let's get it started.
Hi everyone, my name is Konark Sharma. I am a student at Netaji Subhas University of Technology. I am pursuing my Masters of Technology here, and my roll number is 2023 PEV 3226. I have implemented a project on heartbeat monitoring system using MSP430 LunchBox. As you can see here, the setup is as follows. Here is the LCD display. The potentiometer is directly connected to the LCD display to maintain its brightness, and here is the MSP430 LunchBox, and this is the heartbeat sensor that I have soldered on the through-wood PCB. Now coming on to the code that I have to upload on this. This is the code that I have to upload on this, and now if I may connect this into my PC. So as you can see, the board is working well. And now if I upload the program, so here you will see that the board is working fine. The LCD display is connected to the potentiometer, and the brightness can be maintained easily with the help of the potentiometer, and the sensor, heartbeat sensor, is working just fine. So if I put a finger above it, it will start detecting. As you can see, the red light is blinking, so it has started detecting the variation in my blood flow using the heartbeat sensor, and based on that, it will give the reading on the LCD display. Now this is the code that I have uploaded on the microcontroller, which will help me to see what is the reading, what is the BPM, beats per minute, of with the help of the heartbeat sensor. And this is my project. As you can see, it is working just fine. Like if I put a finger above it, it is detecting the finger, and the variation of the blood is getting measured. The BPM will be measured. The BPM of a normal human being will be around in between the range of 70 to 100 beats per minute, and the sensor is detecting that with the help of variation in the blood with each and every heartbeat that is observed in a person. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.